What's up, guys? It's Jay Lobos coming back to you on another episode, and I wanted to talk today about tax season, tax returns. 2019 is already over. We're in 2020 January, and guess what? Tax returns are going to be coming through. You're going to get your W-2, your 1099, and that filing's going to come through, and that money's going to come, and most likely you're already thinking about of how you're going to spend it. So I wanted to share with you guys 5 tips on how to maximize, and guess what? Be the boss and take control over your finances. Number 1, invest in yourself. Get that total tax return. Get 10% of that income, and guess what? Take a mini vacation. You earned it. You deserve it. Another thing too, invest in yourself by maybe taking a life insurance policy for yourself. And guess what? Securing your family's future. Not only that, maybe invest in a credit repair program, in a credit repair book, so you could improve your finances, or in an educational financial book. Tip number 2, I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, take 20% of that income, and guess what? Instead of wasting it, put that money away in a savings account. Either a money market, you could even put it into an IRA if you don't work at a job that obviously have a 401k. So IRAs is an individual retirement accounts. Guess what? They're through mutual funds. Or put your money in an interest-bearing account, which would be very beneficial. You're saving for the future. Tip number 3, guess what? Don't be so quick to pay off collections. Absolutely not. Guys, you've already known this from other past videos. Paying collections doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to go ahead and improve your credit scores. So you have to know that if the goal is to have healthy credit, if you do want to pay them off, make sure you get what's called a payment for deletion letter, which is going to secure not only you're taking care of the balances, but also of the information, increasing your credit scores. Besides that, tip number 4, open up a secure credit card. If you're someone right now that's trying to have healthy credit, invest in yourself. Open up a $200 credit card, a $300 credit card, which can mean the world of a difference when it comes to increasing your credit scores. And last but not least, if you're considering of either paying a credit card or any other account, keep in mind when it comes to credit, installments such as student loans, car loans, term loans, or mortgages don't have the same impact as credit cards. So if you have one or the other to pay off the credit card, because that's 30% of your overall credit score. I hope these tips were very educational. So on next time, guys, share, like, subscribe, and welcome to 2020. Let's get it done.